I picked up this cordless vacuum cleaner off of Amazon. Let's open it up, see what it comes with, and then see how well it works. Alright, and these are all the pieces out of the box. There's quite a few here, but the main pieces are the vacuum cleaner head piece here. This down here is the part that goes on the floor. The main suction hose here that makes this stand up and tall. Then you've got some attachments, there's a battery. You got the manual and a quick start guide and some little cleaning utensils, an extra filter. This one even has these little devices where you can just hook it up on the wall and it can just hold against the wall, so that's pretty cool. Let's put this thing together and test it out. Alright, so I've got it all charged up now. The battery is put in, and this is basically how you use it. It's very simple. You just press this button here. It's going to show you state of charge. It is at 100%. Like I said, we just got done charging it. It's got 3 levels too. So if you press it, you'll see there's a level 1. Press it again. Now there's 2 dots there. Press it again, there's 3 dots. So, you know, whichever level you're comfortable with using, and then when you're ready to go, you just pull the trigger. Now it's running on level 1 because I let that go away before I pulled the trigger. But again, you know, you just pull it and it runs. Hit the trigger again and it turns off. So if you want high, you just push it to high and pull the trigger. Now it's on high. If you want to change it, let's back down to 1, 2, 3, and then turn it off. You just pull the trigger again. Love that rotating head. And the LED light works really well too. When you're vacuuming somewhere and you need to see, like maybe behind the end tables or something, you've got that light there to see if there's any dust. Works well. It's picking up everything we need. Alright, well, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.